Hi viewers, this is the second session of Finance Guru. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about what is a debit and credit concept. So debit and credit concept. As per the double entry system, all the companies are preparing financial statement at the end of the financial year as per the debit and credit concept. What is double entry system? Two systems are following generally. One is single entry system and next one is double entry system. Single entry system followed by the sole proprietors, small local shoppers. But the double entry system definitely followed by the big companies, multinational companies and other organizations. What is double entry system? Double entry system includes completely debit and credit concept. So before starting debit and credit concept, I have to explain about the golden rules of accounting. What is the three golden rules of accounting? First one, personal account. Second one, real account. And the third one, nominal account. All the three golden rules are very important. Now, I'll tell you how we can explain all the three golden rules. First one I told you, personal account. What is the explanation of personal account? Personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. I repeat, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Second one is real account. What is the explanation of real account? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. I repeat, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And the third one is nominal account, that is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. I repeat, the nominal account explanation is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Now I'll tell you how we are following all the three golden rules. At first I told you personal account. What is personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So those who are getting things, who will be the receiver? Those who are giving, he will be the giver. For example, purchased furniture for cash. So we are getting furniture and we are giving cash. So those who are getting cash, he is the receiver. We are giving cash. So we are the giver. So that is a concept followed by personal account. Next one is real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. I told you furniture purchased for cash. So what is comes in? Furniture is comes in. What is going out? Cash is going out. So as per the real account, we can follow this example. Purchased furniture for cash. Next one is nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. How we are following these rules? Debit all expenses and losses. Whatever expenses or losses we are facing, that should be debited. What and all gains and incomes we are receiving, that should be credited. So this is the nominal account. I'll tell you the example for nominal account. Insurance paid, advertisement charge paid, electricity paid, salary paid. So this and all expense for the business. So that should be debited. So salary account should be debited and cash should be credited. So these are the formula or these are the example we can apply for all the three golden rules. Before wind up the session, I want to ask you two questions. First one is, what is working capital? And the second one is, what is capital budgeting? So first question, what is working capital? Working capital is the difference between current assets and current liabilities. It's a difference between current assets and current liabilities. What and all coming under current assets? Cash balance, bank balance, bills receivable, short-term investments, prepaid expenses. This all are coming under current assets. Now, what is coming under current liabilities? Bills payable, creditors, short-term loans, bank overdraft. This is all coming under current liabilities. So working capital means it's a difference between current assets and current liabilities. Now, the second question. What is capital budgeting? Capital budgeting. This is a company's long-term future plan for investments. Because long-term investment only they will get the profit. So the company's long-term plan for the future investments or long-term investments, that is capital budgeting. I hope today's session you can understand clearly. Next session we can meet again with a wonderful session. I will explain you all the journal entries, all the ledger account, everything. So I am going to wind up the session. Next session, we can meet with the journal entries and ledger account. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you.